On Wednesday too. Holy fuck!
What the hell?
Gee. That's like on fucking Wednesday. I've got a full day on Wednesday too. Holy fuck!
What the hell?
Jesus fucking Christ! Fuck me!
He's speedballing too. You'll come off.
He'd be doing over 200 kilometres.
Where's the cops?
Cops wouldn't be able to chase him. He's holy fuck me! Don't tell me he's come off. I think he has. He's fucked. Yep. Come on. Don't stop. Don't fucking stop. Yep. We'll put it this way. Deserve it. Holy fucking hell. He's alright. Well, put it this way. Jesus.
Where's the bike?
Don't know.
That's what you get for speeding, mate. Sorry.
Yep.
Bike's down here.
He deserves everything he gets. Holy fuck, he's come off there. That's where the bike's ended up. Not being old.
You said that.
Yep.
Well, he was speedballing.
Yeah, we all ring the cops. What's happening here? Looks like he's clipped him. See that guy? Looks like he clipped him. I'm going to have a look at that when I get home. Well, my memory card's work perfect.
What is that mean?
No, not watching. We're gonna listen.
Oh, Jesus.
Talk about late. Sure, but like, okay.
Holy fuck!
Walk out. Time
Video protected.
Say no.
I thought compassionately, well, it wouldn't be, Nicole wouldn't apply for an auntie anyhow, but I thought it was, even if you're a casual, it was 2 days paid leave.
You're listening to ABC News Radio. 𝘊𝗵𝗃𝗃𝗃 keeping you company this afternoon. Thanks for joining us.
I'm home on Friday. I tell my landlady I done lost my job. She said that don't confront me as long as I get my rent money by next Friday. But next Friday coming, I couldn't get the rent. And I can go my way.
Pizza, freshly grilled seafood, or handmade dumplings, clubs have an incredible range of delicious food on the menu with craft beers and award-winning
Which he knows. Stay in your own lane, mate. Stay in your fucking lane. Wow. Straight through the red.
What are you fucking doing? Idiot.
Kelly, dare you say, in Clermont, and that will provide.
No, Tiger. What are you? What's going on here?
Really?
You're a fucking dolt. Oh my god, no, you're not gonna, are you? Fucking hell, you are.
Is available immediately.
Video protected.
Very closely with the
I guess you.
Take the third exit.
I wonder what he does that's radioactive.
I don't know. Look at this guy.
Yeah.
He went through a red light too.
Did he?
Yeah.
Back there?
No, the cyclist who was on one wheel.
Oh, right.